Hey everyone, Spud. So, in today's video, I'm just doing a tutorial, like I said I would be. My friends have told me to be a bit more enthusiastic, not make sure my voice isn't droning, because it does my head in when watching and I have to edit and sit there and listen to my voice. It is annoying. But anyway, I'm going to teach you how to paint. I'm going to paint this little bit here. As you can see, I've already got paint on the brush. First of all, you have to obviously mix the paint pot. I'm not actually holding the camera up. You see? Two hands. You can just about see it. There. It's alright. You can also see what I'm doing on this piece of paper. So, first of all, this is the transfer tracing paper that comes with the decals. I'm not sure what it's for. If anybody knows what it's for, please tell me in the comments. Anyway, after that, I wiping off the excess, and then get a little pot of water. I got a paint pot. You can see it in now. Dip it in. Where I've just let me move that away. Where I've just been, see the big black bit just there. Rub it in circles, and it becomes slightly lighter. See, it's slightly lighter than what it was before, and then you can paint. Obviously, don't paint whatever colour you want. This is hidden, so I'm going to paint it. Whoop. Sorry about that. I can see it all right down there, actually. I'm going to keep my hands out of the way. No, you don't. Oh, fuck. Just got paint all over my film. Sorry about that. Where did I put the sprue? Over there. I'm just using some little paint pots to hold it up. Anyway, you can still see what I'm doing. Just about, let me angle it forward. Ah, there we go, perfect. Now you can definitely see what I'm doing. See what I'm doing? Yeah, you can see it all, which is good. First time doing this, don't worry if it's patchy. Sorry, my hand's in the way. Sorry about that. I'm getting a tripod. There we go. I'll bring it like that close, just so you can see. That's perfect there. That's about right. There we go. I am left-handed, so it's going to be awkward not getting my head in the way or my hand in the way. Still see? Yeah, you can still see alright. As you can see, my hand's not even in the camera shot actually. As you can see, it's pretty easy to paint. This base coat, I recommend, I've not been doing it, but go all one way. Go from left to right, then on your second coat, right to left, then from the top of the piece down to the bottom, and then from fourth coat from the bottom to the top. It just makes it even more better coverage. And obviously you can't go, oh, I painted it, glue it straight away, because you've got, obviously, it's paint. It's not like cement. You do have to allow time for it to dry. I'll be doing a tutorial next week, or the week after, on gluing. Then the week after that will probably be decals. And then the week after that will be glossing and finishing details. Which, trust me, you need to watch that last video if you want to get the high standards. This should be the last video where I'm using an awkward setup. This one isn't too bad, it's just my mini box with a bite light and a rubber. It actually gives decent view compared to my old one. You're not actually seeing my hands. I am probably going to grab a tripod tomorrow from my local pound shop, Poundland. So yeah. Anyway, so like I said, second coat, as you can see I'm painting in the opposite direction. You might not be able to see my work, one sec. That, and obviously, after a long time of painting, it'll turn out something like the front of here. This is still wet. It looks better in real than it does on camera. And don't worry if your work's patchy either. If it's patchy after the fourth coat, don't worry about thickening it, just go over it, but make sure it's thin enough but not too thick. Anyway, thank you for watching this painting tutorial. This will be in the playlist if you want the other 4. They will be linked they'll be in the playlist as well. Obviously, not until they've been. Obviously, they won't be until they're recorded. But at the moment, there's only this one. But obviously, maybe by the time you watch it, might have all 4. I might even have more. I'm just sharpening my blade. Using a blade sharpener. Anyway, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ow, 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 ow. 6.5 minutes. I'll cry.